Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York coming to you from the beautiful Norwegian gem, and today we're going to have lunch at O'Sheehan's Irish Pub. I think there's an O'Sheehan's on every Norwegian cruise line ocean liner. I could be wrong, but seems to be a popular place. Open 24/7 on the cruise ship. If you wake up at 4 o'clock or you haven't been to bed yet at 4 o'clock and you're in the mood for a little meal or a little snack or some drinks, O'Sheehan's always there 24/7, all inclusive. And today I'm going to head up and I think I'm going to order their wings. They're known for their wings. I'm going to get that as an appetizer and probably some kind of a hamburger and of course a beer. It's an Irish pub. So let's head on up to O'Sheehan's and enjoy some lunch, shall we? It is a beautiful day on the Norwegian gem today. I think this is my second to last day on the cruise. We're heading back to the Port of Manhattan in New York City. Lots to see and do yet on the ship. I've been to O'Sheehan's several times already, but this is going to be a lunch. I know I've done dinner and breakfast there, and I've also had a couple of beers. I don't know if I did a video on just drinking. I don't think I did at O'Sheehan's, but there are other videos coming from O'Sheehan's as well from the Norwegian gem. Since this is the last day or two on the cruise, I'm going to take a walk through the gift shop and you guys can see how busy it is. This place gets mobbed the last day or so. If you see something you like in the gift shop during the cruise, try holding off if you can purchasing it, because the last day or two they try to dump all their inventory to bring in new stuff for the next cruise. So those prices really come down, and as you can see, the gift shop, the jewelry shop, the duty-free shop, they're all mobbed today because, well, the prices are rock bottom. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. Okay, enough of this shopping mayhem. Let's head over to O'Sheehan's for lunch. After all, that's what this video is all about. Hey, check out the guy downstairs. He's reading the latest post in the New York community room. Or at least I'd like to think so. More huge bargains, it's hard not to get distracted. O'Sheehan's is right up these stairs. As soon as I got up the stairs, the hostess said, "Walk this way," and I looked at her and said, "My hips don't move like that, but I'll try." As I said earlier, O'Sheehan's is open 24/7 and they have a great menu, a little of everything, and it really doesn't matter what time of the day you're here. If you're here at 11 o'clock in the evening and want pancakes, not a problem. If you're here at 8 o'clock in the morning and want a burger or wings, not a problem. And of course, it's a complimentary restaurant, meaning it's part of the all-inclusive package, the food and the drink. For an appetizer, I ordered a half a dozen of the chicken wings. You get a choice of buffalo, smoked barbecue, or sweet chili. I chose the sweet chili. I did order a burger. It's called the Wrangler Burger. It has cheddar cheese, sauteed onions, bacon, barbecue sauce, jalapeno peppers on a sesame seed bun with French fries and a pickle spear. It's kind of quiet for lunchtime. I guess everyone's shopping. I think I pulled something when the hostess told me to walk this way. Walk this way. That would make a great title for a rock and roll song, wouldn't it? I ordered a Coors Light because nothing says Irish pub like a good, light Rocky Mountain brew. O'Sheehan's, of course, is known for their wings, and I think I've had all of them now. They have the, buffalo wings, the barbecue, and the sweet chili. And this is the sweet chili. I've tried them all now. These are fantastic. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New Yawk channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New Yawk channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Remember, click on that thanks button, get a shout out on an upcoming video. These wings are so juicy and fall off the bone tender. The sauce is a sweet chili sauce, and the sweetness comes through and just a little bit of heat. They're not really hot like buffalo wings, but it's just perfect. I'm really enjoying these wings a lot. And of course, this burger has everything I like in a burger. It's got the bacon, the melted cheese. It's got a little bit of spice with those sliced jalapenos. It's got a roasted red onion, a tomato, lettuce. A really, really good burger, and the fries are fantastic too. Can't find any fault, quite honestly, with this lunch here at O'Sheehan's today. I like my burgers medium well to well, and this one's cooked perfectly. Speaking of good food, I'm heading to Vegas next week, and when I get back from Vegas, I will start uploading videos to the new Jersey Jeff Eats channel, and I know I've been self-promoting it, and I know you guys are rolling your eyes right now, but I appreciate everyone who subscribed to the channel. There's no content on it yet. There's over 150 subscribers. Hopefully when I get back from Vegas, there'll be over 200 subscribers, but videos will be uploaded when I get back from Vegas. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'll leave a link in the description below, as well as in the upper right-hand corner of the screen right here, right now. What I do want to make clear here is that the New Yawk channel, which is what we're watching right now, will continue to have food videos just like this one on the Norwegian Gem, just like the ones in the past from Las Vegas and Atlantic City. Those are not going to stop. The Jersey Jeff channel is going to focus on roadside restaurants in New Jersey, but the New Yawk channel will continue to have food videos as we go forward. They are not going to stop. After all, the New Yawk channel is free. The Jersey Jeff Eats channel is free. If you subscribe to both, I'll tell you what, I'll give you a discount.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.